Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get your dusty crusty edges together. I'm getting a lot of compliments on my hair whenever I do wear this hairstyle. I haven't really been doing it as much frequently, but I wore this like all weekend, this past weekend, and I was just getting a lot of questions and compliments. So I was like, yep, it's time to film a how-to video. This style is really easy, anybody can do it. I love doing it just because I'm pretty active and this hairstyle requires literally like the minimal amount of effort. But it looks so good. I would recommend doing this on an old hairstyle just so you can get the most volume for your pup, but you guys may know that. I will talk about it more later on in the video, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, so this is what I'm working with. I'm pretty sure I filmed an intro, so we're just gonna jump straight into this. This is an old twist out. So when I do this hairstyle, I like to do it on an old wash and go, an old braid out, old twist out, old something, as long as the style is old, really just to keep me from having to wash my hair really. But I feel like when I do this on an old twist out, my hair kind of lays flatter when I slick it, and I have a little bit more volume in my curls too. When I do twist outs, my hair is just a little bit more stretched, so that could be the reason why. But you can do this really on whatever old hairstyle you want. I'm doing a twist out because I just like how they turn out better when I do them that way. So this first product, and really the main product I'm going to be using, is this Ultra Hold Gel from Maui. So they recently sent me a shitload of their product, and that's all I've been using. I've really been loving this gel. It's got aloe vera in it, so it's gonna sleek up my hair. It's gonna make it look really shiny, but it's not gonna be crunchy. So with that in mind, I'm also gonna be using this Got To Be glue. I showed you guys this in my braiding video, but yeah, this stuff it's invincible. Literally, like, your edges aren't going anywhere for maybe 2 to 3 days. And you're gonna need a spray bottle. I just had to go back and get mine because I forgot it. So we're going to spray just the perimeter of the hairline. I would never recommend brushing your hair on dry hair at all. Even though I'm going to put product on this, dampening it just makes it a little bit more manageable. So I'm basically just going to keep on smoothing my hair back with my hands, and I'm going to be using this motion throughout this whole video. So I'm going to do just the lower nape of my neck. I don't really be slicking too much in the back just because I like it to be big in the back, kind of sleek in the front, but we're gonna clean it up just a little bit. The reason why my hair gets like this is because I go to the gym and I just be sweating out everything. This is how much gel that I have. It's not a lot. I'm gonna layer the product on instead of applying like fluid ounces of gel. Why was my hair flip so dramatic? Like, what is going on? Okay, next up we're gonna take a hard bristle brush. I told you this is gonna be easy, and we're just gonna slick the hair back. I kind of do like this swooping motion on the side just to like create some little subtle swoops, even though I'm gonna go in and like actually do some edges. Hey, what's up? What you doing? So now that this is the way that I want it, I'm gonna go in with the Gotta Be glue, and I'm gonna apply just a very thin layer of this. I like to take a layer of gel and apply it to my hair after I've slicked it, because for my hair, I just think that extra layer of gel just holds everything in place, and it really gives it that wet look, makes it look really shiny. Now what I'm gonna do is just go back in, just brush it one more time. So now I'm gonna take a scrunchie. You can use a hair tie and get it really tight if you want to, but I like my hair to be really loose and big in the back, so scrunchie is good enough, and I'm just gonna wrap it around my hair once. So I'm gonna pull the scrunchie up a little bit and then let go of my hair. I'm still gonna hold on to the scrunchie, pull my hair up and towards my face, just so that it's still tightly secured, but I get to have more curls to play with. And I'm gonna do this at the bottom too. I just prefer doing that over having to loop a hair tie around my hair like 3-4 times, because it's a lot, and that be making my head hurt after a while. I'm gonna clean up the curls a little bit in a minute, but now we're going to do these edges. I'm gonna try not to be too extra, but so doing those swoops with the brush earlier kind of gives me a guideline to work with, because I'm not the best nor the most patient person when it comes to doing this. And I'm really aggressive, like I just want to get it out of the way. So I'm gonna take just a little bit of gel and I'm gonna rub it all around my forehead basically. I think that looks pretty good so far. I actually didn't mean to do that, but I'm gonna keep it. Okay, so lastly, for the back, I'm not gonna do much just because for my pups, I like it to be a little bit of frizz. I'm gonna just pick it out just a little bit, and you can already see the difference. And so now the next thing I'm gonna do is take a little bit more of this gel, not too much, but just for some pieces that look just a tad bit frizzy or need a little bit of help, take some, and then I'm gonna just do a little finger cool. And you see how I just brought that back to life right here. So I do not feel the need to do this to like every single section or every single strand, but just a few here and there kind of makes it look a little bit more polished, even though we didn't try that hard for this hairstyle. Like on my worst days, this probably takes me 10 minutes to do. And this is perfect for when you're in a rush, because by the time you get ready to leave the house or you get to whatever function you gotta be at, these little pieces that you doctoring up right here, they will dry. Just don't put too much product and you'll be good. I'm kind of in a hurry right now, and I'm gonna even do some here around my ear since that's a little bit closer to my face. And this is the finished look. And that's it for this hairstyle. When I take care of it, when I wrap my hair, I put my bonnet on, I can get like 2 more days out of this hairstyle. So I think that's really, really good, especially for the fall, just because I don't like washing my hair as much in cooler months. Or if you're just someone like me who just goes to the gym and you just sweat out your curls every single time, this is for you. This is a way to keep your hair manageable and presentable throughout the week. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think of the video. So not forget to like and subscribe. I will leave other videos on the screen for you guys to watch, and I will see you guys real soon in my next video.